Hi yogis, welcome. My name is Flo. In this video I'm sharing Surya Beda Pranayama, a breathing exercise also known as the solar breath. In yoga we associate the right side of the body with the solar energy, the masculine, the yang, and the left side with the lunar, the feminine, the yin. In a previous tutorial I talked about Chandra Beda, the lunar breath. Today we're doing the solar breath. This is a great one to energize, to create more of an uplift energy in the body and to create more warmth and heat. So it might even help to do this breathing exercise after eating food to support the digestion. You can practice focusing on rounds, for example 5 to 20 rounds. Or you focus on practicing by time, meaning you set a timer for 5 minutes, let's say, and you just keep going for 5 minutes until the timer is up. To practice, you use your right hand, and from that hand, the thumb and the ring finger. The index finger and middle finger you can just keep tucked into the hand, or you place it between the eyebrows. Make sure you come into a comfortable seated position, ideally sitting on the floor cross-legged, but whatever seat works for you. Sitting on a chair is also possible if sitting on the floor is not accessible for you. Sit tall, set your intention, focusing on the practice. And then exhale all the air out. Close the left nostril with the ring finger. Inhale through the right side. At the top you switch, close the right nostril, exhale through the left. Inhale through the right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale right. Exhale left. 5 more on your own. Once you finished up your 10 rounds, place both hands back on the legs or in your lap. Simply sit tall with eyes closed and notice the breath. Checking in with how you're feeling. So again, this is Surya Beda. Surya means sun. Most of you might know the sun salutations, Surya Namaskar. And so this is the activating, warming, masculine emphasis and solar emphasis practice. Continue on your own, try it out, integrate it into your practice, play around with different lengths of practice, 5 rounds, 20 rounds, you can do more if you want. And I hope it's just another useful tool in your toolbox of breathing techniques that will help you in the right time, in the right moment when you need them. If you want to balance the solar energy with the lunar energy, then you can practice Anulom Vilom. I have a tutorial, I will link it up here in the corner. And with that one, you balance the two energies so that you can reconnect to the center right in the middle. Thank you very much for practicing with me today. Much love and gratitude. Namaste.